Is your NBA Live mobile game crashing frustratingly often, interrupting your slam dunking fun? First, let's tackle common causes. Older devices, insufficient storage, and outdated app versions are the usual culprits. Head into your phone or tablet settings and check your available storage. If it's low, try deleting unnecessary apps, videos, or photos to free up space. Next, ensure your NBA Live mobile app is completely up to date. Open your device's app store, search for NBA Live mobile, and if an update is available, tap to install it. Developers often release patches that address crashing bugs. A simple yet effective fix is restarting the app. Completely close NBA Live mobile from your recent apps list, then reopen it. If that doesn't work, try restarting your entire device. Sometimes a full system refresh can clear up temporary glitches. Another potential solution is clearing the apps cache. Go to your device's settings, find apps, then locate NBA Live mobile, tap on storage, and you should see options to clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be corrupted without deleting your game progress. Connectivity issues can also lead to crash. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes a stable internet connection can prevent the game from encountering loading errors that result in a crash. By following these steps, you should experience a much smoother, uninterrupted basketball gaming experience on your mobile device. Get back to dominating the court.